This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Scott Lambert. Live the Florida dream. Picturesque sunsets, dolphins jumping and eye-popping water views. Southwest rear exposure, 250 feet wide canal. Ceilings 9 featuring oversized 2-car garage. 1,300 square feet lower level workshop, can be converted into guestroom. Oversized pool. Outdoor shower. Internet pool heater/pump. Central vac. Improvements 2020, 7 electric hurricane roll downs, accordion shutters. Improvements 2019, metal roof 26 gauge silver, oversized gutters/downspouts. Paver sidewalk/stairs to Sundeck. LED pool light, variable color schemes. Improvements 2018, new kitchen cabinets, quartz countertops and appliances. Wrap around pier with 2x6 heavy duty Tandeck and #X201C, white and #X201D, embossed decking, ropes and post painted to match. Sundeck with rails. Boat lift 30 pounds, remote control lift station with electrical hookups. Oversized 32 feet canopy. And #SAW0, new well pump and pressure tank. Lower level stackable washer/dryer hookup station. Improvements 2017, living and kitchen flooring 24 by 24 porcelain. Lower level kitchenette, glass doors to lanai and pool shower. Septic lift station. Hot/cold water hookup and #SAW0, in workroom with drainline. Master flooring 18 by 18 porcelain. Pool heater, variable speed pump. Sprinkler system upgrade. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Lambert at 239-443-3160.